In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to a signature in Gmail, whether you're looking to boost your emails with a branded logo, a personal touch, or an engaging visual. Adding an image to your Gmail signature is a great way to do it. So let's dive in and break down the steps to easily enhance your email signature. First, if you haven't already, you'll need to open your Gmail account. To do this, navigate to mail.google.com using your preferred web browser and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at your Gmail inbox ready to make some adjustments. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. There, you will see a gear icon, which is your gateway to the settings menu. Go ahead and click that gear icon, and from the drop-down options, select See All Settings. This will take you to the settings page where you can configure various aspects of your Gmail account. Now that you're in the settings, you'll want to look for the General tab, which is usually the first one you see. Scroll through the options here until you find the signature section. This is where you'll create or modify your email signature. If you haven't set up a signature yet, don't worry. Simply click Create New to start one and give it a name that suits the purpose or account identity. Once you have a signature created, or if you're editing an existing one, you'll see an editor box. This is where the fun begins with personalizing your signature with text and images. Feel free to type in the text for your signature in this box, perhaps your name, job title, or contact information, but we're looking to add an image today, so let's focus on that. To insert an image, spot the Insert Image icon in the Signature Editor toolbar. It resembles a small picture of a mountain and a sun. Click this icon to open your image options. You can choose to upload an image from your computer if you have the file ready. Alternatively, if you store images on Google Drive, you can select one from there. And lastly, if your image is online, you can paste its URL directly. Don't forget the final step, which is crucial. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and you'll see the Save Changes button. Clicking this will ensure that all your hard work on setting up your signature doesn't go to waste. Congratulations! Your signature now includes that new image and will appear in your email communications moving forward. And there you have it, a clear, simple way to customize your Gmail signature with an image. Don't hesitate to experiment with layouts and visuals to find what best represents you or your brand.